Hello friend, how is it going? Welcome back to Toyota Maintenance YouTube channel. Today I have a nasty video. You won't believe what I got in my shop, and I can tell you already it needs to go. This is nasty. It's a new customer, which I only talked over the phone, and they said, well, we have a Sienna and doesn't want to smoke, and nobody told us what needs to be fixed, so we want you tell us what needs to be fixed. Well, this tire, it's almost empty. Look at this. I have spent only like 5 minutes looking at it outside with the owner before he walked away, and then just pulling it in, so 4 or 5 minutes. I still feel that stuff in my throat, in my eyes. It's hardcore. It's reeking right now. It's in the shop. It reeks out of it Mary Jane mold and I don't know what else. I don't know. Let me continue around. What do you think? Shall I even touch it or tell them that I won't touch it? Well, I already made a time for it, so I want to get my money for that diagnosis, but it's nasty. Don't buy yourself Toyota like this. Don't take it even for a free. I think the story is they got it for free from some neighbor or whatever. Don't take it even for a free. We didn't scan the computer yet, but I think the conclusion will be clear. They cannot smoke it. They have a problems with transfer. The DMV will not give them the sticker because it's not smokable yet. And that's why I'm saying don't take it for a free even. I think they called in desperation because the guy just got pulled over by CHP, California Highway Patrol, and got a ticket for that. So I think that's why they are desperate to spend money to get it diagnosed. I think they are hoping it's fixable. I think it's not. Let's continue. I'm seriously cannot go in this car. I just open it, guys. It reeks as a Mary Jane mostly, and mold. Now why I'm saying don't buy it or don't take it for free. Well, there's no way you will clean this. You think you will take this whole interior, shampoo the carpets, hang them in sun for a few days. No, it's behind the paneling. It's inside. You will have to. Oof, I cannot breathe here. You will have to dismantle this vehicle completely to the bone metal. This is done. This has no sense to keep 216 or 213,000 miles on the odometer. The guy showed up. It's raining. He couldn't see anything. I don't know how he got here. The whole windshield was fogged up from inside. I took a finger and ran it on inside of the windshield. It was basically full of water. The fan and everything works, but he had it completely off. So now I will take a deep breath and I will show you the inside. It reeks out. I have itch in the nose. You will have to see this. When I was making an appointment, it sounded like they are older people and they are desperate for help, and that's why I did what I did, but it was a mistake. I opened the hood. I was showing it to the friend. As we stand here, you can stand so far away from here, it reeks. It's in the air, it radiates the craziness. So obviously this was just sitting, the supporting rod was just sitting here because it's completely fell out of its mount. This looks totally normal. The problem is we have a brake light, warning light on, ABS warning light on, and check engine light on, and something will be related to the engine emissions because I hope I said it already. They have a problem to smog it. They were unable to transfer. They didn't get the tags, and the owner just got a ticket from CHP. So this normally Siennas, even the old ones like this, they are very reliable vehicles. I will never told you don't buy this generation Sienna. Hopefully it will be clear from the title. I'm speaking about this exact piece, which in my opinion is a health hazard, and it's hazard to your wallet also. Because I'm assuming, and we will go and look at it together right now, I'm assuming the repairs will be so expensive that it will end up in the crusher. This is older vehicle, so if there was just check engine light, I will grab this older simple scanner, but we have also that ABS, so let's get something more sophisticated to scan the computers. I have a really good relationship with Top Down Company. I got recently this puppy, which is mid-range diagnostic tool. So far I'm extremely impressed because outside I have that broken TDI Jetta, and this has the same level of features on that Jetta, for example, like my most expensive Autel, which I have here. So let's use this one and see how it will communicate with the older 2003 Sienna. This is where the OBD connector is. This unit has a full Bluetooth capability, so you get the updates and everything constantly. Let's put the ignition on and find out if I was correct or I just don't know what I'm talking about. Filming. The other scanner didn't want to connect, despite the fact I have ignition on. So this car is absolute junk. Look at it. The OBD connector is just hanging here. I wanted to confirm it. I grabbed the cheaper one, which immediately shows if it powers on or not. These guys, I don't know how much else to tell you. Don't buy a car like this. Didn't not this perfectly finish this video. So you cannot even hook to it and start scanning what's up with it. Now, if I wanna go and get underneath the dash, I will have to go get some respirator and the glasses because I still have itching eyes hour later. In order to even able to work on it, get underneath the dashboard, find if the wires are damaged, or then go look for fuses. The fuses for that are the big fuse boxes right here. but there is a small one also underneath the dashboard. So what do you say? Didn't we see this coming? Yep, I had a feeling when I was making that appointment that something will be up with this Friday morning appointment. It was only over the phone, but something told me, uh-oh, you may regret it, Peter. For those who will have the same problem, it shows right here, it's a number 31 fuse in this area. It's getting better and better. The fuse was taped there and it's nothing wrong with it, but I got another fuse and put it in that spot and it's falling out. That means the contacts are not on the back of that fuse box. This is messed up also. We don't know who did what with it. I'm done with this. I think you saw enough. I will get the camera down. I will be putting it down. I will briefly look what could be wrong with it, and then it will be over. This is not a car I am willing to work on in this condition. Not going to happen. This is below my standard. I'm not going to put my health in jeopardy. And then what? Still don't want to work on it, even if I will be able to diagnose it. So I'm sorry for this, but it perfectly shows not every Toyota is good purchase, not even if somebody gives it to you for free. I think I explained the whole story enough. I will be not taking more of your time, and also the owner, because he wasn't drop off here. He's just waiting for it somewhere. So I also have to consider that it's his time. I need to finish this, get it over. And don't forget, it's Aloha Friday. No work till Monday. So everybody have a wonderful weekend. Stay warm. The spring started yesterday. Maybe go camping. Okay. See you later, my friend.